nice both of you are on the wrong side of the road?
Going by the buses because they're going to one of the players' birthday parties. And everyone's at the gate going, Mariano, this, that, no.
Red light run.
That. They're just yelling. And he's just
doing a scene with someone, and I'm trying to like catch their eyes and get that eye contact going because I know it can like stoke the fire. And even if it doesn't, so
going, straight, not stopping. It's possible that you're gonna go forever and
left turn regret.
In any tragic manner in that until her loss of faith, she had coped with her grief by telling herself that she would see her loved one again in heaven. So
red light run. Red light run.
I hope you find some use in it too, Greg, or maybe not. Maybe you find something else.
Really?
What do you think?
No headlights on.
I have a little bit of a
about the various ways that you can support the show. One of them is to go to our Patreon, patreon.com/
red light run badly.
Right there.
Red light runner. Dodge Ram 4x4.
Sometimes,
Yeah. You deserve
straight from a left turn lane.
Happiness.
The same all the way around. It's not a perfect oblated fairway, and so you kind of have to know where your
red light runner
are, especially if you're doing land navigation and some.
What the fuck is that guy doing?
so even within the confines of there's plenty of folks to go around, we can see preferences.
Which lane do you want?
This doesn't just go for primates, and we see this in other animals too. I believe the number is 18% of and in others, this is firmly established.
Come on, you're only going 40.
Which is really cool, and it's kind of what we see in humans too. Even in societies where it's like, and because those are way that are very restrictive towards non-heteronormative sexualities, humans are very flexible. So that's an interesting name.
Ecological companies that all wanted to make billions of dollars selling this vaccine.
You just rolled right through the stop.
So it's
football. We start every episode talking about the greats that wore the number, Paul. We have to do it. We have to do it. Athletes.
Red light. Whoa!
Number 33. Here we
Red light runner. There he goes.
Yeah, I'm not actually an I cannot say I'm an atheist.
Wow, way up there.
For listeners, just us. The best podcast in the fucking world. Just us. Okay?
Red light run.
Free. Because sometimes our bodies just aren't operating on a sexual wavelength. Sometimes
Just rolled
we're
right through the
just
stop
not
sign.
hungry. And that doesn't.
right, and this is something too. Like when colonists were first coming to
Nice cutoff.
the lands of the whole 9 yards, that was an internal confirmation for me. Later on, when I was kind of deconstructing, I met with some Hare Krishna Hindus on my college campus.
Time behind me.
And I decided to have a meditation. And a lot of these things that we're talking about can be really sneaky and challenging to even notice in our relationship.
Exit regret.
So
is once you acknowledge that consciousness exists, consciousness has a certain nature.
Of course.
When we talk about morality, we're talking about
so well, and also what I mean. Chip Kaczynski's, I mean, they're working great folks back there. It's intense. If you've ever seen a male chimpanzee just sit down, you're kind of like, whoa, that's a lot. That's a lot to be happy. And that's because, again, these guys are polygamists across the board. It's a free-for-all concept. Whenever anybody's in season or in estrus, I would say, or they just kind of feel like it, mating is going to happen. And because they mate with one male, multiple females, or one female, multiple males, there's a lot of sperm competition. So these guys really have to be packing some serious artillery back there. Compare that to a gorilla. They're polygynous. It sure could be. This other question that I struggled so much with this whole course is like we were 100% on the same page, 100%
really?
on the same page about not having children, and like that's sort
Wait
of
till now to move over.
So I got this like whole upper.
That was a red light run. Oh, left turn guy, red light run.
Trying to force its way into the government. Anyway, but there is lots of different ways you can support the AC.
Red light run up there.
That'd be great.
Last second left turner guy.
Sex as a group?
No, actually. In the case, although it could have been potentially I first that kind of triggered this type
red light
of
run.
system. What we
conducted himself with a remarkably cool and cocky authority.
But I'm streaking, but I'm streaking, but I'm dumb streaking.
Just in case it was in there, someone would like break the news to me and that would go against my principles.
It's like that everything is cake meme. Like you cut open this chair instead of cake.
Red light run.
Gotta have all of that stuff.
Red light run.
Where, technically. Mustaine had an apartment just around the corner from where I was staying, maybe a couple of blocks away. I started hanging around over there a lot. I have no idea about the dynamics or details that led to the split between Dave Mustaine and Metallica.
And you run the red
all
anyway.
Things considered.
Turn from the center lane behind me.
People from the other side, it's hard to hold on to that idea for much longer when you meet some really
red light runner
who don't agree with you.
Writing in to clarify your queries. With that right on the bat, my queries. Sounds oddly fucking homophobic.
What? Yeah, get in the left lane. Exit regret. I'm gonna call it that. Red light run. Yeah, left turn from the right lane.
There was only a drummer named Dave Harmon and me. Dave had a drum set that I would hop on and play. That was where the drum beat for Rest in Peace came from, and if you listen to the drum beat, it is quite
that members of my community that are on the margins are struggling. Please get the help you need.
Nope.
Thank you so much, Nikki, for your
quote. Kill every woman who has slept with a man, but save for yourselves every girl who has never slept with a man. Save the virgins for yourselves? Really? Apologists insist that the soldiers bore no malice.
Exit dive and straight to left lane. Exit dive.
Whatever he says, it kind of goes. In order to not upset that, how do you justify that? What do you say? Well, you cite this text that agrees with this position and agrees with churches. Church members were full of people who were slave owners and didn't bat an eye at that fact.
I'll do that one too. That Mustang.
Kind of like a fan fiction of, the idea of eternal torment, and there's like a journey that this guy goes on, and
red light runner.
I honestly think
you have to go, in our particular church, you have to go through a series of praying and fasting until you
rolled right through the stop.
The Bible, like I was saying, like it's kind of one voice. It comes from
really.
I know people who believe in inspiration and.
How don't you remember what it was like
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be here. And it's for real this time. They don't allow trucks in the left lane on this road. We're about to pass a sign that says that for all you internet commenters saying it's only 2 lanes. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 no. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.